So today I'm at Lowe's, although it's not focusing very well. I'm going to look at water filtration systems and get some mulch. I get mulch every time I come to Lowe's because I have a big yard and I do it 7-8 bags at a time. But anyway, we're going to look at water filtration systems today. There's a whole range from just pitchers of water filtration and filtration systems at the sink to full water filtration systems. So we're going to check those out now. I need one of those. My wife would kill me. So, going into Lowe's. Ah, this is very cool. I need to talk my wife into this. Check this umbrella out. It's got built-in lights. Very cool. It's $2.98. You put it together. We need this for our patio. And I saw this the other day. Actually, you can tilt. So let's see. You can obviously close it in, open it up. But I think it has a. Oh, that's cool. You can change tilt. Very cool. I need one. Well, let's go look at the water filtration systems. Okay, these are the different filtration levels. If you read across the top, chlorine, sediment, cyst, chemicals, lead, dissolved solids, bacteria, viruses, and pharmaceuticals. You know, you can get a filtration pitcher. Basically goes, that's down there. We'll look at those. Inline refrigerator filter will go up to chemicals, but not quite to lead. Faucet mount filters, the next best thing. And then you go to existing faucet system, 2-stage system, reverse osmosis system, to water purifier system, which is the best, that removes everything. So it's good, better, best. So we're going to start off with good and go to better and best. So the first step, or the easiest, would be a filtration pitcher for water. You know, you can shower, kind of local things. You can put a purifier on a faucet. Again, that's good. But then there's better. Now we're moving into some of the under sink filtration. That's $35. Here's some other home filtration systems, but water filtration, this is more along the inline. Should be getting up on some of the reverse osmosis. These are still inline ones, and again, I'm at Lowe's. It's a little bit better system. Gets rid of some other things in your house. All right, now reverse osmosis. These are some of the better ones. Water purifier system is the only one that's better, but I really do like the reverse osmosis. Usually that's put underneath your sink. You can see there, pretty good. But then you can move on to a basic of a whole home filtration. And here's a system like a central water filtration system. I'm really thinking about putting one of these in my home because you're really not sure of the condition of your water. You can certainly test for it, but I'm a big fan. Get that chlorine out. Any other impurities, lead, anything like that. So Lowe's has one for $267. Central water filtration system. Delivers clean, filtered water throughout your home. Reduces chlorine from your bath and shower for cleaner. Reduces sediment to protect plumbing. And provides great tasting water at a fraction of the price. Cool. So anyway, checking out the water filtration, probably thinking about getting it, but while I was here, I got some mulch. So I kind of work on my yard, a little bit of mulch at a time. I figure if every time I go to Lowe's, I get 7 or 8 bags, it makes it easier. So getting ready to put those in the truck. So, which water filtration system do you think I should buy? Thinking about going with a whole filtration system. That's the best. It's going to probably require that I get a plumber to help me out with it though. Thanks for watching.